Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new category of brain rots in Plants vs Brainrots. So here in AutoSell, as you can see, now they have Saving Dailies, Bosses, Secret, and Forbidden. So I'm just going to auto-sell like everything except for the dailies because that's new. There will be now daily brain rots. Secret because I still need secret brain rots. And there's a new one called forbidden brain rots. So make sure you don't auto-sell those on accident. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!